Welcome back, and let us continue with our calculations. Let's answer the following without the use of a calculator. So we have there 2 squared multiplied by 5 squared, and this product is raised to the exponent 5. This is all divided by 10 to the exponent of 7. Remember, if we have the same exponent, this means that we can multiply the bases. So, just to simplify the expression, I am going to say this is 2 multiplied by 5, and because they have the same exponent, we are going to raise the whole product to the exponent 2, but now everything in the bracket is raised to the exponent 5. This is all divided by 10 to the exponent 7. Now 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. The 10 is raised to the exponent 2, and the whole power is raised to the exponent 5. And then this is divided by 10 to the exponent of 7. What do our exponent laws say? When we are raising a power, we are going to multiply those two exponents. That is 10. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. When we divide that by 10 to the exponent 7, now we are dividing powers of the same base. That is 10 to the exponent 10 divided by 10 to the exponent 7. We are going to subtract the exponents, and that leaves us with 10 cubed as our answer. Let's move on to our last example. This is 2 to the exponent of 1, and this power is raised to the exponent of 6 divided by 2 to the exponent of 4 multiplied by 2. We are going to say 2, and that is 1 multiplied by 6 according to our exponent laws, divided by 2 to the exponent 4 multiplied by 2. We are dividing first and then multiplying. So when we are dividing, remember what we are going to do with the exponents. Let's just write that 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. We are going to divide that by 2 to the exponent 4 multiplied by 2. So this will be 2, and that is 6 minus 4, because we are dividing powers of the same base, and then we can add that 1 there because we are multiplying powers of the same base. So 6 minus 4 is 2. We are going to add the 1. That will give us an exponent of 3. So our answer there is going to be 2 cubed. Okay, let us wrap up our lesson. So in this lesson, we learned 4 exponential laws. We learned that multiplication of powers of the same base. We learned division of powers of the same base. We also learned about raising a power to a given exponent. And then we learned about raising a product or a quotient to a given exponent. When we are working with exponents, we need to remember the following. So when we are multiplying powers of the same base, we add the exponents. This is very important. This is not the same for when we add powers of the same base. We do not add or even multiply the exponents. So adding the exponents only applies to when we are multiplying powers of the same base. When we divide powers of the same base, we subtract the exponents. When we raise a power to a given exponent, the exponent in the power will multiply with the given exponent. The two exponents will not be added together. This is very important to remember when we are working with exponents. And lastly, when we raise a product to a given exponent, every exponent in the product will each multiply with the given exponent. Let's end our lesson with a nice challenge. So, simplify the following without the use of a calculator and leave your answer as powers with prime bases. So we are going to calculate the following, using our exponential laws, but you need to make sure that you leave your answer as prime basis. That was a wonderful lesson, and I hope you really enjoyed it as much as I did. So goodbye for today, and then we'll see you next time.